Hello! When creating a wiki, it is important to pick a subject that matters. And German beers matter. This is my index page. Please note that the links and the file names contain underscores that are replaced by blanks on the website. We can access a website by typing the name of the file in the URL bar. This is my face when I drink a Bud Light. The search engine is not case sensitive. I can type Weiss to get the list of Weiss beer. And typing something that's not on the list gets me an error message. Typing a full correct name brings me straight to the right page. Now I'm going to create a new page. If I try to create a page with a title that already exists, I get an error message. It is also case insensitive. Let's then create a page about a beer that's not yet on the list. I prepared my entry in a text file, but I am now applying the Markdown styling. My new page is created. I am now going to edit another page to add a link. Now my new link is added and works beautifully. Last but not least, it is sometimes difficult to pick a beer in a country with so many great choices. That's when the random function becomes useful. Let the website decide for you. Thanks for watching. Prost!